Hi, welcome back everyone. I'm now cutting up some metal plates to make the receiver type connection for the boom, or what you would call on a trailer the tongue. Okay, in this clip I'm marking the boom to know where I'm going to weld my plates. I'll be using speed square, markers, caliper, all tools of the trade, and of course then I'll be welding it in the next clip. Well, it wasn't in the last clip. It was two clips I had. Now I'm got it installed. Now I'm going to tack it in with the welder. I can't count. Sorry. Always check your work. Make sure that's square. Never take for granted. That's why you tack pieces in and not weld them fully in first. That's nice and square. Time to tack it in. Some anti-splatter. Tack it in. Put some gloves on first. Once I got it tacked in, I'll double check my measurements. Make sure everything's nice and square, and we'll start making some full burns. I'm installing the second boom so I can get the height for the bottom piece or the top piece, depending on which one it is, of the receiver. Finally going to do some welding. Watch your eyes. Here I'm cutting a piece of plate for the top part of the receiver. I'm using my brand new DeWalt reciprocating saw. Sorry, I can't say that word. New to me, brand new. He's doing it by hand. That'll make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Yes, I'm using 2 hacksaw blades as shims in order to get the right height. There we go. Perfect. Now I can fold that in. Took a bit of work, but as you can see, the boom slides in and out pretty freely, so it's good. Once I paint it, it's going to be a different ballgame. Time to rejig for the other side. Yeah, I'll be cutting that off, making it pretty. So what do you get after 3 hours? This is what you get. May not look like much, but I basically have my main boom, as you would call it. The front receiver, still need to grind it and drill a hole, put the pin in. Same thing for the back receiver. I still need to grind that out, put a little hole for the pin. I did get the rear brackets to hold the boom in. They're only tacked in right now, but at least gives me an idea. Took a bit of a while just to get that perfect. I didn't want it too tight nor too loose, because I know it's going to take some beating. But so if you're wondering what it takes to drill a hole using this and a home shop, this is what it takes. It takes a bench, a stand-up drill press, and a ladder with a bunch of blocks to get the beam straight in order to get a straight hole. So here we go. Of course I forgot center punch that thing. There we go, drilled hole number 1.